Welcome to Greenyarden, our budget eco garden. Today we're cutting down a mulberry tree. A mulberry tree is a hardwood that can be quite invasive. They get very tall. We're using the Homelight electric chainsaw today. Mark the surface to prepare for a hinge cut. This is a brand new electric saw and chain, and I'm editing this with real time so you can see how difficult it is to cut into the wood. Just keeping it full speed and level, coming down at an angle. This is step 2 of the hinge cut, which I found out about online because I usually do not cut down my own trees. I should have come in at a higher angle for safety reasons. That could have slipped back, but fortunately it didn't. And that's my first successful hinge cut. As I mentioned, I usually don't cut down trees. I pay people to do this. They're experts. This is a quite involved professional field. Tree trimming and the cutting down of trees can be quite dangerous. Not just the saws, but you are dealing with extreme amounts of weight that can move rapidly. But I felt this was small enough to start out on. Trimming the limbs and branches is not glorious work, but it has to be done. And this saw is lightweight enough and felt safe enough to sometimes use with one hand. I like using electric equipment because I don't need to buy gasoline or store it. There's our rescues. I just kept moving the trunk so it was at different angles, and then I had to prop it up with a piece of limb so it wouldn't hinge together and grab the blade. This is one of the largest parts of the tree, again edited with the cut in real time, so you can see how the saw works on this hardwood. Now with this cut I was a little bit leery because I had to hold the chainsaw at slightly awkward angle, but the weight and design of the home light was perfect for this because I could get down really low and hold on to the handle or the bar, or however a professional would term that. Again, I'm not an expert in cutting trees here, but I know how to help myself, and instead of waiting on a company to answer my call, cut the thing down and save some money. That bug got really close, but we saved him. I guesstimated this tree to be 10 years old from the images I saw on Google Maps, Google Street. So we'll count the rings now. 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 years old. So about 10 years old. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you dig this, and thanks for watching. As always, keep it green.